मेरे भरोसे मत छोड़िए इस फैक्ट्री को, लगता है बर्फ पड़ने वाली है। Guys, this glove situation is not working for me clearly. Thanks guys, thanks to my audience. Please show my audience. So many almonds, great. Wow guys, what a wonderful day at work. This is fun.
I know, right?
So a 1.5 hour road drive later, I'm in Noida for episode 2 of my new series Shivesh Tries His Best, जिसके हर episode में मैं try करता हूँ to learn a new skill with an expert or attempt something that I've never done before. And आज मैं आ गया हूँ to take over the Cinnamon Kitchen factory here. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है and I'm gonna do it with the head chef and founder Priyasha. मेरे को obviously बिल्कुल भी experience नहीं है of working in a big commercial setup. So this is going to be extremely new and extremely fun. I hope I don't ruin their business in one day. We'll see how I do. Let's get started. But I know I'm going to try my best. So I'm in the office with the showrunner Priyasha. Please say hi to everybody.
Hello.
And basically आज मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है जैसे कि I am Anil Kapoor from Nayak because I'm going to take over the Cinnamon Kitchen factory. But Priyasha, I want to really understand. I have no idea what I'm signing up for. मैं बहुत ही confidently ये बोले जा रहा हूँ that I'm going to take over and I'm going to run the Cinnamon Kitchen factory for a day. But actually होता क्या है in the factory? What is it that you do on an everyday basis? And हमारा आज का task list क्या है? Please let me know. So I can actually know if this is a good idea or not.
Sure. Actually, running a factory is a hell of a task.
Yeah.
We start here at 6 in the morning.
Okay.
All the chefs
So I'm
come.
already 4 hours late. Great.
Yes, you are.
So हम सबसे पहले क्या करने वाले हैं? What's on our agenda?
I think let's go on and look at the retail production.
ठीक है, done.
Okay, let's do
Great.
it.
And I am most excited about the fudge production. कितने fudge आज हम बनाने वाले हैं? Do we have a number or we'll figure it out?
On an everyday basis, so we do about 60,000 packs of fudge in a month. So
Wow.
on an everyday basis, we prepare 2,000 packs.
Okay, all
So
right.
you've got to work quickly now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, first things first, hairnet on, and honestly, the kitchen smells so yum. It smells like cinnamon and already काफी action packed यहाँ पर चल रहा है. What all is going on?
So our retail shift starts right about now. This is our entire retail section, as you can see. Today we've got spicy vegan chips and methi millet crackers on the sheeter section. So we prepare our in-house flour with amaranth and jawar, and all our crackers are baked, they're not fried.
Okay, nice.
And we make our in-house spice mix as well.
So another thing on our agenda today is to soak all the fruit for the Christmas cakes. Priyasha, हम कितना fruit soak कर रहे हैं? कितना cake बना रहे
We're
हैं?
soaking about 200 kilos of fruits and nuts for about 3,000 to 3,500 alcohol-based cakes.
Okay.
These fruits and nuts soak for about a month before we
Okay.
make the cake.
Wow.
Woohoo!
So many almonds, great. Figs.
Raisins.
Lots of kaju. I feel like मेरा हर शिवेश ट्राइज हिज बेस्ट एपिसोड
खाना वो
एक
TC
वर्कआउट
के
एपिसोड
brand
बन
देते हैं।
जाता है.
Alcohol
आई एम
है
नॉट
obviously,
कंप्लेनिंग. Okay, done. Alright guys, cheers!
Cheers!
So all of this fruit will make 3,000 Christmas cakes.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow guys, what a wonderful day at work. This is fun.
I know, right?
So सारे fruits alcohol में soak हो चुके हैं and now it's time to put in the orange juice. Let's go. सबके पास है?
Yes.
चले? Let's go. Oddly satisfying.
I know, right?
This actually feels so nice. Alright, so task 1 for the day is done. We've soaked all the fruits and nuts in alcohol and this will later become 3000 क्रिसमस केक्स एंड अब बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क करना है विच इज़ द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द स्टार प्रोडक्ट हियर एट सिनेमन किचन विच इज़ द फज। सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स यहाँ पर लेआउट हो चुके हैं एंड नाउ आई एम गोना गेट माई हैंड्स डर्टी एंड मेक अ वर्ल्ड क्लास फज। ऑल राइट, सो सबसे पहले इस काफ़ी ज़्यादा ह्यूमंगस मशीन में हम डालने वाले हैं अ मिक्सचर ऑफ
Dates and almond butter.
ओके, अब इसके अंदर हम डालने वाले हैं 5.5 kgs ऑफ मेल्टेड चॉकलेट। वेरी एक्साइटेड।
We make our in-house 70% vegan dark chocolate.
ओके,
It's completely refined sugar free.
वाओ। Hazelnuts and hazelnut praline, go for it. Guys, this glove situation is not working for me clearly. I don't know why. But in any case, हमारे fudge का जो पूरा mixture है वो बन चुका है. And now we'll put it on the trays and start sheeting it into flat fudge basically. So 160 boxes of fudge, we are
yes.
making today, guys.
And we're ready to sheet these now.
I think हाँ, थोड़ा सा मैं भावनाओं में बह के
ज़्यादा
मैंने
है।
थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल दिया on this. Excited. ये वाले फज कब मतलब रिसीव होंगे लोगों को? Whoever orders.
कल सुबह?
कल से guys जो भी, अरे बट ये वीडियो तो लेट जाएगा.
हाँ।
जिस आज का डेट है?
आज है 16th.
तो जो भी 17th को खाएगा फज उससे मिलने वाले हैं द यम्मीएस्ट
शिवेश के बनाए हुए
with
fudge.
special fudge. The person who knows how to run this machine has left the building for a minute. Oh no, he's not left the building, he's here. And I'm now going to try and do it. Sir, please हाँ आ जाइए. मेरे भरोसे मत छोड़िए इस फैक्ट्री को. इस फैक्ट्री के लिए ठीक नहीं होगा. Priyasha is getting very stressed. 1, 2, 3 and go. All right, so हमारा first batch sheet हो चुका है. ये फिसल ना जाए मेरे हाथों से. Okay. And now it's time to cut it. So you said one fudge is how many grams?
One fudge is 28 grams.
Okay.
We cut it and then we weigh each one of it by hand.
Okay.
And then they're put in liners,
Okay.
then put in packets and then sealed.
Interesting. So there's this thing. I like how this is done by hand.
Yes.
So there's no machine to cut the fudge. So cute.
Presenting.
How to control
Eat it,
yeah,
eat
how
it.
to
It's
control
fine.
No, I want to package the first one. I want to weigh it and package the first one. 39. So we'll cut it.
Yes.
छोटा करना पड़ रहा है. Sorry guys. 28 grams is all we can give. ठीक है?
दोनों sides से because it has to be square now. कितना हो गया?
27.47.
No.
I'll have to redo
Yes.
the fudge. 28
The fudge has
grams.
failed quality test.
Oh, sorry guys. I shall redo this. 28.20. Thanks guys. Thanks to my audience. Please show my audience. Guys, one more. My first fudge. Oh fudge.
Oh, fudge.
Oh, fudge.
Yes.
Okay, so fudge production is successfully done. हमने 3 trays of fudge बना लिए हैं and इसको हम बाद में पैक करेंगे. But now there's another thing that we need to get out of the way, which is tasting of the winter menu, जो कि new menu launch होने वाला है. So we're just going to do some trials, tastings and see if we're there yet or not. So guys, शार्क टैंक सेट से हम पहुंच चुके हैं मास्टर शेफ इंडिया के सेट पर एंड अब हम लोग दोनों बन गए हैं मास्टर शेफ जजेस बिकॉज वी हैव अ न्यू मेन्यू दैट वी आर ट्राइंग आउट. So Priyasha, I know that अभी हमने fudge बनाया which has been on the menu for so long.
Yeah.
But tell me how important it is for you to also keep innovating and keep bringing fresh things to the menu.
So every season we do a fresh seasonal menu based
Okay.
on the fruits and produce of that season.
Yeah.
This year, this is the pre-winter menu,
Okay.
which is basically bringing out the flavors of nostalgia. We're doing
Okay, nice.
elevated classics, and that's the theme of these desserts.
Okay.
They are yet to be launched, so you're the first person trying them.
Yes. I have a diary and pen just to look very important. I'm just gonna keep writing, tasting and writing stuff. And towards the end, I'll tell you what's my favorite pick. Yum. So after much discussion, I have my ranking, and which is actually I have my top 2 picks, which are definitely gonna be the banana bread, and I think the orange in it, the orange zest in it, just took it to another level, and has to be one of the best banana breads I've ever tried. So that has to be on the top with the focaccia because that also is just so flavorful. And I think then the Jim Jam biscuit and the gingerbread and the French toast and then the chai tiramisu for me. But the banana bread and the focaccia, I love those.
Woohoo!
So I think इस winter menu को lock किया जाए computer जी. Guys, बहुत budget है यहाँ पे computer का. So computer जी lock किया जाए winter menu. When are we releasing it, Priyasha?
We are releasing it on the 19th,
Okay, which is now.
which is now. Yes.
Okay, fantastic. So I think हमारा काफ़ी productive ये discussion रहा है and this was a very done deal. So guys, now we are going to quickly assemble one Jim Jam biscuits जिसके trials finalize हो चुके हैं and I'm going to assemble it also, and meanwhile I'm going to this thing try and get some goss out of you from behind the scenes of Shark Tank. Please spill some tea and tell us what went on behind the scenes, something that we haven't gotten to see on camera.
So
and you have to also keep telling me कि मुझे करना क्या है. Yes.
So this is our vegan in-house biscuit, which
Yeah.
is made with rice and almond flour.
Okay.
And sweetened with honey.
All right.
Okay. इसके अंदर we are going to put this cream
Okay.
that is made with cashew butter.
Oh, nice.
And coconut milk
All
powder.
right. So should I try and lift it off
Yes.
this thing? And meanwhile, you can spill the tea and make sure it's piping hot.
So 2 things that people don't usually know about Shark Tank. There isn't 1 round. There are 4 rounds.
What?
4 rounds, yes. There's 2 form rounds, 1 in-person round, and then you go on to the final round. And also, if you've got a shoot, it doesn't. Shivesh. It's okay. It's okay. We can salvage it.
Can we?
Yes, we can.
Okay. ठीक है.
And also, even if your episode is short, it doesn't mean that it will make it to the big screen. More than 50% of the pitches
then
that are
there's
short don't make it to the big screen.
So there's like a lot of people who may have gone and spent like a lot of time.
Yes.
But they haven't
But
like.
they haven't. Their episode is not aired. That happens.
Oh no, because like maybe it
Yes.
wasn't as interesting for like the TRP.
Right.
Okay.
Right. So
Which
this
makes
see how
sense.
the final show
Yeah.
comes out.
Correct.
And then the other interesting thing is that the episode is 18 minutes, but the actual pitch is an hour and a half.
Oh
so
my
they cut
God.
out parts that
Mhm.
they feel would be more relevant to the audience,
Okay.
and that is what goes
So
on
anything
screen.
like that, and you don't get to like see anything or approve anything. मतलब जो आपने किया, you
Yeah.
exit and then whatever comes on screen, like on TV,
Yeah.
comes on
When
TV,
it's
so you
coming
have
on
no
the
control
TV,
over
yeah,
it.
you're
So they
seeing
can
it
like
with the
edit
audience.
it however,
Yes.
cut it in the way that
Yes.
they like,
Yes.
and
That's how it
okay,
is.
and then you see it with
With
everybody else
everyone.
for the
Yeah,
first time.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And now I have some raspberry jam here,
Yes.
which I've tried and it tastes incredible. And we're gonna
Spoon
put it
the
on
raspberry
top.
jam.
So our final healthy gym jam is ready, and this is so good. So guys, coffee break for everybody. Thank you.
ले लो. Nice, nice.
So guys, now we are gonna dust the fudge with cocoa powder.
Yes.
Looks
That's it,
pretty
that's it.
okay.
Yep. And then we put them in these liners.
Great.
Now we're going to be sealing the fudge. We get these 3-side seal pouches and we're sealing it from this side.
And यहाँ पे
Suresh, you wanna
machine
try
है.
it first?
I want to try it. Although I'm थोड़ा सा worried about my fingers. It looks a little scary. I'll
It's a
not
little
lie.
warm, huh? Do it from a distance.
Okay. Yes.
Yay!
Successfully sealed my first packet of fudge. ये मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ guys. ये मेरे लिए ही है. Alright, so बहुत सारी production हमने successfully कर ली है. All the packaging, sealing, barcoding, everything is done.
Yeah.
And now this will go into dispatch.
Yes. Shivesh has had a long day today.
Very long day today. And अब हम lift लेके जाएंगे and इसको छोड़ के आएंगे in dispatch.
Shivesh tried his best.
So guys, हमारे सारे products बन चुके हैं, package हो चुके हैं, and now the next
Come, I'll
stage.
show you where the dispatch happens.
Come, let's go. So यहाँ से basically it gets sent out
Yes.
to everywhere.
Yes. So we have Delhi orders and
Yeah.
we have Swiggy Zomato orders in Delhi, NCR and Bombay, and then we have Pan India orders.
Yeah.
So right now what you see is the Swiggy Zomato orders
Okay.
for Delhi. These are all the orders. You can see
Great.
we're doing breads and cakes and all the fresh dispatch. So this goes in at 7 a.m. every day from the kitchen.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
So all your orders are ready.
All made in the Cinnamon Kitchen factory with love. I can't wait for you to receive them. Bye.
So I've just completed my shift at the Cinnamon Kitchen factory and honestly बहुत ज़्यादा fun था. I feel like एक दिन में काफ़ी कुछ कर लिया, which I honestly really enjoyed doing. सारी team के साथ काम करना, doing a lot of different things साथ में, packaging, barcoding, all of that was a lot of fun to see. I tried my best to work in a commercial factory. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys very soon with episode 3 of Shivesh Tries His Best.